Are you stuck? Is your drone not working? Is your 3D printer also not working? Well, there's hope. I can help you get it working. Hey everybody, welcome back to RC with Adam. My name is Adam and you can stop banging your head against the wall because it hurts and drywall repair is expensive, a lot more expensive than what it would cost you to book a one-on-one coaching session with me. That's right, you can now book a one-on-one coaching session with me and I can help you get started and solve problems with FPV drones or 3D printing. I know what it's like to get a new 3D printer or a new drone and you start out and you're like, yes, this is going to be awesome. I've seen other people do it. And then you're like, no, what's happening? I'm so confused. Things are not working properly. Why is this thing smoking? This thing is on fire. What's happening? And I know that can be really frustrating. So I want you to know you're not alone. And I'm here to help ease that frustration and get you making progress and having success and enjoying the awesome hobby and sport of FPV drones and RC aircraft, and also 3D printing. Down in the description of this video, I'll have a link to the website that I'm using to streamline all of my coaching sessions. It's called Ownit, O-W-N-N-I-T. There you can find more information about my coaching sessions, and what I'm offering right now is a short coaching session, 15 minutes, and a longer one at 30 minutes. The short session is perfect if you're just getting into the hobby and you want somebody to point you in the right direction and save you a lot of time learning all of the basics. And the longer coaching session is perfect if you want to go more in depth, maybe learn a particular skill, or if you have a particular problem that you're working on troubleshooting and you just need some help with it. And remember, if you're just getting into the hobby, a 15-minute session with me could save you from 15 hours or more of research, trial and error, and banging your head against the wall. Not to mention drywall repair costs, am I right? Thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope to see you very soon.
We get bars in our goggles.